Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. Today I have a couple things to unbox and show and eventually talk about. Turn the light on. That's better. Okay, so a couple things here that arrived today. 2 boxes from Obsessed Garage. I've got a box from Chemical Guys, and then I have this guy, which is from Amazon. So let's start off with the OG stuff. If you haven't subscribed to my videos, please subscribe. It allows me to continue to buy, test, and play with these types of things, and talk about them on my videos, and hopefully provide content. So I actually placed 2 orders from Obsessed Garage. One of them will be here tomorrow. 2 of them arrived today. And that sounded weird. I placed 2 orders from Obsessed Garage. They shipped in 3 separate boxes. One of them was UPS, which will arrive tomorrow. These 2 are priority mail. They arrived today. That's what I meant to say. So let's see what we've got here. So in this box, I've got this is Polko sprayer, which is for this. I got a couple more drying aid towels. I got a bottle of this, which is something I'm excited to try out. This is the Obsessed Garage drying aid. From what I understand, and I got a small bottle. And that's it. That's actually interesting. I haven't seen this before. Hex Plus. I want to thank you for your purchase and also for being a Hex Plus member. This platform is designed with customers like you in mind. I want to create something that would offer some sort of exclusivity to like-minded individuals like yourself. As you know, I don't do sales, but I wanted to reward those who see value in the content I've built around our product line. As we move forward, we will continue to pursue functional excellence and bring you engaging content, great products, and first-class support. Packed by Janet Mormon, Obsessed Garage. Black Friday, we're getting closer to our biggest and only sale of the year. This will be your opportunity to save even more on most of our items in the store and receive free shipping. As a Hex Plus member, you'll receive an extra 5% off, making your discount 15%. This sale includes everything in the store with the exception of Rupes polishers, Sabre cabinets, and Milwaukee tools, which will not be eligible for the discount. Any drop-shipped items that require freight shipping or a shipping invoice, stainless steel shelves, Sabre cabinets, bend pack, 5-gallon chemicals, etc. will not include free shipping. The sale will run from Friday through Monday, November 26th through 29th. So this is the new OG drying aid. It is, from what I understand, B&B Slipstream, but it's rebranded for OG, or blended for OG specifically. It's a different color from what I understand. It doesn't have a tint in it. I think theirs is orange, and it comes in, this is a 32-ounce bottle. It comes with a Polko sprayer. They dropped this. They mentioned that it was on Facebook, or they mentioned on Facebook that it was in the store. And 2 hours after they made the post, I found the post and went to order it, and they were out of the gallons already and only had 32 ounces left. So I grabbed a bottle to try it out. I got another drying aid towel. I try to add one to every order. And then I also got an industrial sprayer, which has this ergonomic handle. I thought that I would try using Meguiar's APC for cleaning counters and doing some stuff around the house, and I wanted a different sprayer to put it in, so I picked one of these up. So we'll try it out, see how it is. This is the industrial spray head. So I might swap that out with something that's acidic, like put this on my my P&S brake buster, and then move the sprayer from that to this. But it looks the same as the regular sprayers. It's just supposed to be an industrial sprayer. So they look the same. Well, I guess the tilts on this is a little bit different, but it's pretty close. Oh, well, it's not different. It's just that the bottle's tilted forward. So, then in here, I have, all right, so second package. Different knife, because I can't find the one that I had. OSPO. So I ordered some OSPO, which is a highly acidic metal cleaner for stainless steel. Stops rust, prepares rusted surfaces for painting. For rusted metal, new metals, galvanized metal. Sweet. So I'll get to try that out. I did also pick up one of these, the invisible glass reach and clean tool. So it's got like a little handle on it. It's for cleaning the edges of your windshield. So I'll get to try that out. So that's everything from OG. I will have another OG package tomorrow, which I will edit into the same video. But for now, we have our OSPO, we have our sprayer, and we have our reach tool, and our OG drying aid, which is probably what I'm the most excited about. And the car is a mess right now because it rained yesterday, which I can't complain about. I live in central coast of California, and it rains here like 20 days a year. It's ridiculous. So, anyway. So I got one last package to open. This is something from Amazon. It was packaged in an Amazon box outside of this, but the other stuff that was there was not really relevant to a video unboxing. So this is from Audio Engine. And Audio Engine makes hi-fi products. I've used their stuff in the past. I like it. They make good stuff, in my opinion. So I have an Audio Engine N22, which is a little desktop amplifier that runs my desktop speakers on my computer in my living room. And I ordered this. So this is an Audio Engine B-Fi, B-Fi, and it is a Wi-Fi streamer. So it connects to Wi-Fi, and it has analog, RCA, and optical audio outputs. And it connects to a home theater receiver or an amplifier. It's made to accept streaming services, so I can cast to it with like AirPlay. I can cast, it'll play Spotify and several other things, Tidal, some other sources. It doesn't play Pandora, but it seems to do a lot of other things. So here's what the box looks like inside. Got some foam. Audio Engine B-Fi, multi-room music streamer, quick start guide. What's in the box? Product line from Audio Engine. So, Audio Engine makes powered speakers. I've kind of always wanted to get a pair of these Audio Engine 5 Pluses, but I never have. They make a DAC. Well, actually, they make a couple different DACs. They have this Bluetooth media receiver, this Wi-Fi media receiver. They have a desktop amplifier, the N22, which I have, and I think is awesome. They make an 8-inch sub, and then they have a wireless DAC, so they've got a bunch of different things. So, let's see what else is in here. We have the DAC, or the Wi-Fi streamer itself. It's pretty nice. So it's got a little Wi-Fi antenna, status light on the front. It's like an aluminum construction. The backs are plastic, but it's like a really heavy plastic. Gold plated RCAs. There's an optical wireless micro USB for power. They give you a power adapter brick. Looks like this. You can split in half, like if you wanted to switch to, if you're in a different country, probably. Got it. So this pulls out, and this goes out like that. Got it. So if you were in Europe or something like that, there's adapters to make this fit your outlets. Accepts 100 to 240 volts. There's RCAs, which seem gold plated. They have they're fairly heavy gauge for a basic looking RCA like that. Not bad. Nice cloth bag. Portability. Here's the USB power cable. Super nice and soft, pliable. So yeah, definitely my initial impressions, the quality looks pretty nice. Oh, there's a button too on the front, status button. Okay. So I'll do an independent review of this separately, but I'm pretty excited about trying it out. So actually I'm helping a friend with an audio system at their house, and I ordered a couple things related to that. So he's going to have 2 of these, one in his... We're doing audio in a backyard, so we're going to have one in the basement and we're going to have one in a shed. And the shed is going to have an amplifier in it, and his basement has a receiver in it. So we'll have audio in the backyard from 2 different sources playing simultaneously. So this should allow us to put 2 of these together, play the same thing at the same time in both places, and have, you know, kind of like surround sound in his backyard. Just a decent sized backyard. It's not that he's looking to make a movie theater out of it. So I'll do an independent review of this. We'll talk about it separately. So then I have one more package, which is this guy here from Chemical Guys. And this I actually ordered yesterday. It came today. That's cool. But I live in California, and their headquarters in California, so when their stuff doesn't arrive in a day, that's weird. I've been to their headquarters. It's actually pretty cool. So, in true Chemical Guys fashion, there really isn't any packaging in here. Well, I guess there's a little bit, but thank you for your order. All right, I got another bucket lid, another short one. I got another dirt trap, some short one. Well, there's some packing material. And then I got this. So this, the new product that they emailed me about yesterday, and I bought it yesterday because why not? Let's try it out. It's new. Although this video isn't going to go up for a couple months, so. Alright, so it's bag, storage bag. So it's a Chemical Guys quick load carrying caddy and storage organizer. So it expands like this. There's a thing that flips down. It's got a Velcro bottom, and it holds open like that. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we can remove this bag. Now, in here, there's spots for tools. This is actually pretty cool. It's like a little tool bag, but for your cleaning supplies. So there's like single mesh, double mesh on this side, single mesh on this side. And then here, there's like 3 openings. There's spots where you can stand up bottles on the inside here. There's like stretchy material in varying sizes going down both sides of it. So it looks like I can fit quite a bit. So if I wanted to put like this in here, yeah, so the press all bottle's pretty tight, but it fits. So yeah, pretty cool. So I think it's gonna more so be like this, and you're gonna stand up a couple things. A divider down the middle would be kind of nice, just to help organize things, but maybe some sort of removable divider. But yeah, so they're showing like tools and a mitt and a bunch of other things in there. Cleaners. So their bottles will fit in these holes, I'm guessing. If I grab a guy's bottle somewhere, do I have any? Oh, here, I have like this Geon. Yeah. So the OG bottles do not fit, but these ones do. This is a PNS bottle. This is a Geon bottle. Here's a Chemical Guys bottle. So yeah, they all fit. But I can stack some bottles in here with some rags around them. Yeah, this is a pretty cool bag. I picked one up. It's like 40 bucks. So I don't know if it's worth it. I mean, the quality seems good. There's, you know, these stretchy things down both sides. It's removable bottom. Folds up. So I can un-Velcro that. And then it folds up nice. So I don't know, seems pretty cool. 40 is probably a little high. I'd say it's maybe a $25 or $30 bag, but I'll keep it. I think it is what it is. It's pretty cool. So it'd be a nice little caddy to like put in the back of your car with some cleaning supplies. I currently use one of these guys. I have a black one in my Mercedes that holds a couple things, which is kind of nice. It's more like an emergency bucket, like, you know, somebody spills a soda in your car or something like that, you need something to clean it up, or you're gonna take the dog to the vet and pukes in the car, you know. There's a couple rags, there's a carpet cleaner, there's like a spray detailer, so bird poops on your car. I don't know, I think I threw some tire wet or something like that in there. It holds like 6 bottles and a couple rags. This will hold a little bit more. So this is more so like I'm a mobile detailer and I want to take a couple things with me kind of deal. But it could be nice for like a car show or something. Like if you're going to a car show and you want to be, you know, you want to drive your car there and kind of touch it up when you get there. You could throw like a tire cleaner, a wheel cleaner, wax, interior cleaner, etc. in there, and just, you know, have a bunch of bottles when you get there and one of everything that you might need. Bunch of rags, whatever. So yeah, I think it's pretty nice. So that's it for today. So put all my goodies in the bag. Try out the OG tire cleaner, or the OG drying aid. Pretty excited about that. Bleach tool, etc. So thanks for watching. I'll do a full review on this next video, maybe 2 away, something like that, but it'll be coming up soon. So watch out for it. Please subscribe. Have a great day.